Welcome back, South Florida. We continue to track Tropical Storm Franklin, which made landfall last night, 11 p.m. along the east coast of the Yucatan here, and it is just dumping torrential rain, gusty winds. We could see some flash floods, mudslides, anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of rain possible as Franklin moves to the west-northwest 14 miles per hour. With max sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, it is forecast to continue tracking across the Yucatan Peninsula throughout the day today, and it'll reemerge into the very warm waters here of the southern Gulf of Mexico and make a second landfall somewhere here along the east coast of Mexico. Could be near or just to the north of Veracruz. And in terms of hurricane watches in place now from Tampico to Veracruz, we also have tropical storm watches in place from Veracruz to Campeche, and tropical storm warnings in place for the Yucatan Peninsula, including Cancun, and also keeping an eye on this disturbance that we've been monitoring, which is just east of the Lesser Antilles. Right now it has a low potential of development, but we could see some more favorable conditions for development later this week as we take a look at the computer models all over the place. Some of the models are keeping it moving just to the north of the Lesser Antilles and then potentially heading just north of the Caribbean and then possibly just offshore of the Carolina coast, but then there are many models keeping it well to the south, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. In the meantime, the radar is showing that we do have some scattered showers this morning. Once again, even a few downpours here on Pompano Beach along 95, so keep that in mind. Take your umbrellas with you. Also, Hollywood just had the rain. Davie too, some slick roads in spots. Miami Lakes dealing with some shower activity, as well as the hammocks and Country Walk. We just had the rain around Palmetto Bay, Cutler Bay. We saw that onshore flow in place anywhere from 6 to 14 miles per hour with high pressure in control. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s. It is so warm and steamy out there. It feels like the low to mid 90s already. Now it is a mess stretching from Texas all the way up through parts of the Gulf Coast states, even the mid-Atlantic and through the New England areas. Very active weather there. We've had severe weather and tornadoes and flooding, and we could see some more active weather throughout the day for some of these areas. Now, in terms of our forecast, we are going to see highs soaring to the low 90s today, feeling like the hundreds with that summer breeze and about a 20% chance of showers, a high risk of rip currents, so it's still not safe to go swimming. Tonight, we are going to see for the marine forecast, seas 2 to 4, moderate chop on the bays, lows in the low 80s with passing showers. Better chance for storms as we head into the latter part of the work week, and we'll see highs still in the low 90s through the weekend.